George Kuntu Blackson, assembly member for Kwamo, benen ntwetwe nkomo fa MCE ensemo a ebobo bay. George Machi.
Meju me bra.
Apom ye
Na me na dombofo.
Right, you don't crop one say. And I know mobile training some MCE no mobile Mame Jerryne Asante, mobile vote of no confidence etiano, but we are seeing Musamuti abontin kra microphones here press conference. Aden Dennis here.
Me ra me da se na me tia we telephone na so. No kre e da fia da nanka ye ko general assembly meeting. Na a special general assembly meeting na agenda ni vote of no confidence. But you could be hold monona your whole like na meeting at him. You come here state officer for no MCE man special area be Tom Famreno be o. The anya assistant ra ho. You twen ya abato no na o say isi na be so. Isi am afraid isi o say kata de man no say omra no. When ya counter let's special meeting the information da. Eno ntino no so ama. Nti ono so amadi na tete vote of no confidence no about one intimate cause. Nti no ya jene say the reference of center for near the ya ha nyina ato mani tebe ya ya say ne o mampanyi so aso mete. Nti de course no.
Na se ohwe Ejisu utietie manfo nsem a omo ka wo ho no a ne maami so kra no on the media platforms projects ahodo a oye na obohu the school dan ya wo sie ne donations ahodo a woye ma disability for ne in fact just about last week on the media o show a lot of projects are ekoso a roads kra no o ma hyase a ebi ekoso ne ade de ntina we nyina chi no as a man for assembly members mo asheda na maami ase pa na mo mpena ase maden
Mira, my punch the movie in the camera, and I'm a so.
Okay.
A buy way our bail. Or the Sacra be about local government system, no, as far as decentralization is concerned.
Right.
Osha yen common fund that can no na a formula. Naka crab neighbor. If I can say no na a castle ho. Na central government near projects maybe be my or from her. A bio house, yes, a middle belt project. A part of common fund and idea. Example, Zoom Lion. First, now Okuta contractor, or your mama, yeah, common fund don't no free central government straight. They say, about where I say, yeah, you can now what can be above them. Say, yeah, yeah, supervise in human, yeah, human. Into about 90% of the canon or the Amaye. Into across Ghana. Yesika neba as common fund no emu apeja kakraka enti project awo hu so ye no joso ha no atetire no na enye joso nko na ta de ne koso oko all over the district obia project aya wo ye no afiafia na te bre etwemu no say emu apeja because we kana eba no emu apeja.
Okay.
Say Zoom Lion ya na e ko obia ma na ye na djuma enti se hu so joso ye show project aya ya obia ye bi Mum the OC Busa when it's a project na ye no, a mood do saying and a year internally generated funded. The mood the hen idea IGF a year. Project me na ye, the or said that's why free central government by a year. Our district be a year. Intimacy my for way to your home. Mammy by or your project or your project. A sanity or baby.
But Unyini say it takes good leadership. Say ebe ensure say projects are abino esine ni so no ebetumi akomu ompeso ya biso because areas bi wo where you see them complaining about omu MCE no omu DC ebi ya kwan bi ensem bebre ni no ma but enkyere say all your projects ya na wodi animu ma na ekoso de or your competence obetumi aboa kru no
say can good leadership akokwa de ono waye no de aba
okay
ya say onye onye I want to cut down so doors. For instance, you two boreholes. If you me chrome, over this year, you two amanano SCP lesson. Borehole no contract period and that's one no. Nay about 6 months. Then you can say a trim a coffee. Until say the oil no ye counter. You'll be baker, but any of one year. With the medical number IGF. project away no on chere out of the display away na o me hu the IGF that is all 20 amount because you could see any person you cannot find you in the tour. Oh yeah, I was a month ma me de me hu the way yen sha de over the so and some of the national education akukwa yeje mra assembly members they were model standing orders there so who ye bibia na ostra science standing orders na intimi for instance e looking for motion yes say ansana assembly be bibia no e was so the approval of the assembly, that is the general assembly kwa do be na e abo mami so the unim ne your structure to assembly there was subcommittees this year everything important more how if we are the recommendations beko executive committee ni akodwenjene ho ni asone so na the feel say implement bebo ano ni the general assembly meeting hono ye koni ye ditumu wi a it becomes binding on the assembly ye pro ye mpe what ye that process ya ni afemu mami hawa ebeto ye ni ye di kan ejuso ye wo warehouses be num Ghana Cocoa Board Edema Ejisu Municipal Assembly eye nkrata atroso japade that Cocoa Board warehouses esi ho a ekoye mo ebra ho betere yen ente bia ente Victoria ema Ejisu Tech School and from a farmer dinosaur pie Cocoa Board yi ne ye de shelter ankora no kopim time a yewra jonkuma wanya ne baby ko itimi board dinosaur ankora na call back to their hostels and after omo abode enti no that dinosaur ho a eboa jo so bra ibehia mami bae or the dining be normal high at the musica assembly no ho se me san aka no so a oni nkrofo na te ndi say dey ama omo a omudi pa wo mu
kuntu skasen no je ye
oh ba ko 100,000 enkom me ni udi nyina ho nsem a ye ni na tena se abobo ho a wanye ho ati odi tum enti e ko general assembly Emma ye de oteto so say san krofo no ye nka se ye tu omo ye Ghana fo omo mra ne omo nyan siseye na ye ma omo nkrata e kire se ade no omo timi wa assembly di mu so going forward the time so no otua sika kura na otua ma assembly na nya so mfa so ne ye de ayempuntunjuma wa ha
ba George sa warehouse ya wo kai eno na eho asem ba ya na Gloria who's ese ono wode no normal egum ni ade
sa warehouses na warehouses na eno enanchen ye to so mi no company bi wo joso ha omo ye roofing sheets mami ene special aid e friend Dumbewa omatimi aya adwene ama company no the property rate for the year 2025 any business operating permit o kan say sikami no bomu 29,000 Ghana cedis mami no issue receipt JCR receipt the printing of district control and the debit straight and obi obetimi issues that receipt ni obi a oye bonded revenue collector Dumbewa to miss receipt no obra onye bonded revenue collector
Dumbewa no oye hwan
special aid to the MCE yes
and what sign receipt
what sign JCR receipt it should be signed by a bonded revenue collector of which he is not.
You have a copy of that receipt?
We have a copy. I can send it to you right away.
Okay. Yeah, now what's in my producer, mami?
Very well. Sir, that receipt no am ko sign no. Omo anyi zika na ma assembly. Omo the year in exchange of 32 packets of roofing sheets. And also am assembly. Mami need to call any project.
Project ben ya.
What do you say?
Project men what they call. Okay, so what they call any project, any personal project, and I say assembly.
Personal project. What they call on one idea.
Ewa hin.
I am for assembly. I know the ono kwa ne be hum. Ye ne tena Ojitumu.
Ojitumu before you.
Ojitumu before PRCC. In some way nyina ho. I will say ye committee or assembly for redress of issues. Asem FA MCE ho, assembly staff ho, and I impo nananum ho a ye frɛ omo water committee nani presiding member na chairperson to that committee. And we had all these targets we invited my to PRCC. I need him come away now or dealing out to me.
Eti or refundis kano.
Yes, no so refunded.
Eti wa refunded.
Honest wa refunded but me the young way.
Oh, but George, you should be aware some assembly ho.
nkoma ye die nyina no ye call General Assembly. The man 2 weeks to do all these recommendations.
Okay.
2 weeks, it's been 3 months now.
Okay.
The big vote of no confidence letter call, you know. Emrani said within 1 week, no, yeah, man hearing. Until there was an ad hoc committee invited my minister, and somewhere a dear group when you mean a new year ban now. And in a honey of going to me now to Marco. A movie anywhere, no, I Yama Sicano, Anna, chairman of the committee, I can't say, Matisse, we dear, why are they worry funding? What between Cano? But I don't have evidence to that because committee chairman, what is Wabitia. We didn't have any documentary evidence, and I said, what we are. It's in Yama, I do no, there will be anywhere. So we recommended to the General Assembly. In the Honna recommendation, the Aka when you know near Mount Altimil, the Dibusumi and Sana Wonye. And what you know, Assembly, a sign elected at the core, regional minister, so on much the president was. That the airport was Jusuni. Mamma Mwajoso. And you know, only new people from Ra. Let no call regional minister on. It's been 1 month now. And we are ABMI. Into a nona. And my two are more than a
okay. But George, Mami Mr. Back to the warehouse, you know. Videos be babontia. We saw the MCE say closely warehouse. Gloria who's in the around don't have the authority to be there now. A assembly neja padia if you say be near scanon no money in our assembly no didn't now Gloria woman. In the video we heard a whole lot of things. MCE was rather defending the assembly against unauthorized occupants no woman Gloria who's in as a my surprise kakra from the point I woke as no the akoma high taking the money and all that.
Mira and come to take it to the assembly and stand up one, but the be out there for my memoir.
Okay.
Jerryne Asante, MCE. Warehouses no AF5. According to video now, share and then in court or non toqua or movie on the office no. Warehouses in Muno. Oma Jerryne no, and I Jerryne no more or no so more. And I say my Babco assembly members and your friend of PRC. No, when your mom is your PRC meet. So that was a knee jerk reaction. And your mammy conquer take reaction. Say, yeah, committee be with a metuanamo. And no coina, then call for one is now we are mount me, Luma, what the amount high you want it. On to wood you. I then hear the now about it. Almost coming as a that's what I say.
Okay. Okay.
So that is the genesis of the whole case.
Okay. But we also hearing say there's a building more by force as assembly for more person obusa adanigu and ombungu and no can who be nama more sorry. What kind of building? I don't know.
Mira, building bill a temple. Any panel to see no SEO. And a wire extension. Extension no actually plot and no Aqua Cover Road. And now that building neti obi so asate da ho. Any pano nya access or the car be ko na asate so apa ko yadwuma. Sa ni pano court. Na ma me nyamba. And na ebi a semono say ampa o ten krake mu a a dine akokwa mu into Osha assembly say yenko book portion na akokwa mu no enfree ho na nipa nya access to the land for development. That same way na da kwa mami bae o say ontimi nkonku buda ni just onya clarity if regional minister ho de wo na obabeka chere say or the ruling ni na come regional minister shame o so wo ho kwan se obo nti afedi o mo be ho Como we had the hosta, obebu. Yako meeting into 2 weeks ultimatum my day 2 new also on. That's that building, no second home. If you some mayor or say why resources available, now the technocrats and say engineer and fiscal planning head say or mobile entry. Into also my assessment. Now almost call grounds or no, almost with a court ruling no crano and you're right. because some other alternative routes are everything about plot and so. The woman who didn't also be dying important now about coin. And yes, there be court ruling there. What do you mean now for a link at court and ruling? Sanitary, you have to go back to the court. And yes, you have to abide by the ruling. And this is where we are. And in the side, I need the and yes, I contempt Betty. Coordinating director will train one away by Papa way in our special planning meeting. Or catch MCE said, the former assembly of Koye. The says Yima, MCE, contempt Yama. Any panel condemn 2 weeks remand or buy a buy snap a month. Into court ruling, man in Feniago. But better send it. But
George, my NTS ye, every bang and a court ruling no a buyer, say, see bugu ye abang.
Oh, the exact year, this is a crack and but what is a fact and it's a number and you know,
Nanya Mamin no,
baby.
I didn't know or more never on those that MC no anti me and to Sana more no. I think now you're assembly member then.
Let me assembly member.
Adena Sabreno when pushing as hard as you are pushing now for say a baby Dainegu and Afina more pray.
Okay, and so here the assembly apart from some assembly member for Pamono, we signed the committee so. Currently, development planning subcommittee convener. By that virtue, we are a member of the spatial planning committee. Spatial planning, no fiscal planning, women in ano. A one na town common, aya yidino. That time, I now also add na manya holding. Na me need spatial planning committee. Spatial planning, a one you didn't come or more fairly wetland. Building on roads, unauthorized structures. Only you do some community now. And it's only why one to one them. And I know you put to me say it's a key decision or what a year you must say the take decision war General Assembly. But
say meeting more agenda until before you go, no, you know what you'll be talking about.
And I make a say, sir, a die yemubuno. Previously, na SO Pempo. Now it was a decision at spatial planning. But not an agenda for General Assembly meeting.
Even after court ruling, no.
After court ruling.
Which has been a major issue. Court Ama ruling, and it's not part of an agenda assembly critical meeting like that.
And yet part of agenda for General Assembly, but it is part of agenda for Spatial Planning Committee, of which Spatial Planning meetings and I said their recommendations don't come to General Assembly. Almost say Emra. I was a year Juma, even without bringing it to the General Assembly. This assembly could play spatial planning, not assigned up by General Assembly. In the Abasa ruling in the too. In the same way, you didn't come out spatial planning. I said a year more. And not assigned by General Assembly meeting. And no, all the assembly members are aware of the issue. Previously, assembly members do only this was spatial planning. So.
Not just say Canino as a Munshada Yanoma years at the SLCO because critical issues like this, none case about the two General Assembly in any muntem than now.
And America said, maybe Zabren and I need spatial planning. And they were dealing with it at that level. But this time, when you say some arrangements we have made, you say, assembly members say, what spatial planning? No, they say, near Pokrana, in some of course, and I'm saying, you don't want to take a decision, you know. We have taken time to bring issues at spatial planning to elected assembly members' platform. So that they will be privy to what goes on there. Before it wasn't like that. Now members of spatial plan could do but we have made it open to all assembly members. And this is the reason why we are where we are now.
Okay, but Utie. Some of the residents of Ejisu, the almost trying to say, assembly members is na yamuaponko time, and two, and crophobia matter to see a transfer and crophobia free because your backgrounds in residents in Ibia Bedin Komoka Kra, matter say a transfer and crophobia free assembly where no Mahama meno. It is Ancrophono assembly members and do one now for Funtia or Moya, and almost sorry at Yama meno near dear, and do one swap to say. womo ewo aban ya otiswe womo ne emmo enko akan yenim say assembly members there ye kra ipututu womo say yenim say assembly members there you don't have party affiliations into no mo ye no neutral mo wo mfimfini but womo believe say as maame no time na as more time de keke. How do you answer to that?
Mira, question in twofold but Ejisu 40 transfer maame na ye.
Yeah.
Yen share transfer oba we dey afi a transfer nipa be 8 to 9. Maame family no pen kan procurement officer ya transfer. Ebra that receipt this year receipt from mobile na ye press maame no PRCC no. The busa no receipt no initially no take for him much. On koje change in the on receipt because the change in there. So at the committee, we invited the procurement officer. We first invited the finance officer because receipt is only in charge. And the Busan said, receipt with this serial number, I'm pressing what you say, if we control a neighbor. Is it part of the records? Or 15 minutes, echo on office by, or by, or by you to say yes, on the document. And yes, it's fine. But the according chancing. The free procurement officer because the chance there was a back procurement records. The friend no the receipt in chance in 32 packets way. Have you recorded it in your books? Or also the break on your office or your text by or by or to the BR in the records. Procurement officer anyhow I had the transfer in here. Today as I speak with you, FO and you say you are my ever transfer.
Finance officer.
Finance officer. Special planning head, that is fiscal planning department head or engineer. Thank for now no more than no money engineer. Open issue my own failure. Railway lands, put you die also or brand your dear. Yema on yeno. Thank for no. And some call many more. Our mom say, and yet it doesn't all go well for the assembly and it is against their ethics. Thank for now. Then obey me, madam. Any funny boama peri ye, apoto Ejisu. Just a young fat Ejisu is you baffle. You produce traffic light and they call you Sumaya. As you baffle. More years I report you, I think last year or 2 years. Apoko one over the back of you.
Yeah.
You're feeling you know, Emma, I'm feeling you know. 3 days later, it's your toy. Then the hotel flat day, almost your money for. You showed it on your platform. Oh, and you know, that way, that's the engineer, sorry, say, yeah, my dear, we in Koswa. Engineer, hope about time, a transfer. Mamma, this is a be by or 4 years, you can use me transfer. Engineer or buy a Kajama 1 month or 2 months and done with the 3 years. Why must it be said?
Right.
And these are the issues we are talking about. One more better just to you know. I mean, the officer, yeah, not dear, no. So I'm Peninsula Mano said the daily say, I hope today, one here, a public accounts committee, you know, the Becca. Or the recommendation to come here, you are free. So this is where we are. The coordinating director will buy just about 6 months ago. Last week, you have a financial letter by a unit here. It was a mamma or some papa management for 21 I work in a transfer. Now starting about 2 months ago. And you were there this week.
But as far as minim aban enyumamu kakra ne ehun enhwehwe no de before say obetumi amasa transfer na ya adwuma je say onya tangible reasons bia kire bibia bia nipa no ya bia impede the course of ne delivery and say adwuma ese wo mo ya nkasa entimi ma say obi bia obi mpewa asem keke no akoka bibi na say wonya hwe a na ye de wo kosa anti ase na kakra
akoko amenu mi na Ghana ya na
okay.
Some of these things don't work. If you had a meeting at court, regional minister better letter stop electoral committee say more money.
Okay.
Obrayi na yinimi emre Ghana hanomono. This is assembly. You bet me a free meeting. You bet me a sign meeting. Only the presiding member.
Okay.
The regional minister only has oversight responsibility over the district. Why must he stop our meeting? You know, the old can crash out, but that's not the reality on the ground.
Okay. What next? Is a vote of no confidence. And to me and Yejuma, what next?
Yes, now watching the banner to my penny as a MCE. Baby anyhow obey in the name of the assembly obey corporation. Not only that, if the Koya man in Yajuma.
Hey.
Yes.
Adam
Koya man in office on Yajuma on MCE. I mean him so man penny said you spend a Juma so on penny car on in your memono. Now watching in terms of best time I'm where am I?
Oh, crown the key now baby in the office, no man in the office. Oniki.
Bravo Nikki, uncle. Or did you soon yadodo? And some of any nanny president.
No crack.
Only said there be other change. Mammy, we assembly members. At the airport say a temple for a trainer or honor. The Australia and some any being free and yet a carbon tea, good anymore. And they were saying I want this not TikTok. It is not true.
Only more question, and no, only hint you can say to me in one. Into you know the no, no, so because I prepare me but as to that one, there is serious allegation. Very, yeah. Okay, all right, George, that's the pay. All right, George Kuntu Blankson, a assembly member Kwamo, and the Nene Quatrian Comono, Kwamna. I see me.